Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to change YouTube handle. Follow this easy and step-by-step tutorial to change your YouTube channel handle. Open your YouTube and make sure to sign into your YouTube account. And now we need to open YouTube Studio. To do that, click on your photo and click on YouTube Studio. Once you are in your YouTube Studio dashboard, here scroll down and click on Customization. And here select Basic Info. Under Basic Info section, you will get your YouTube handle option. Basically, YouTube handle is your YouTube account username. So to change it, simply type a new handle or new username. If you see these little green check mark next to your handle, it means this username or handle is available. Then all you have to do is just click on Publish and your YouTube handle will be changed. And if you want to change your YouTube channel name, you can do it from here. This is how we can easily do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.